Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something different that I normally don't do, and it's an all over color. You guys are used to seeing me do a lot of foil work, whether I'm doing low lights and a foil conversion, taking someone darker or lightening them up. I'm a blonde specialist and color correction specialist, so that's something I'm always doing. However, my client Maggie, about 3 months ago, she's always been my level 10 ice queen, decided in the spur of the moment to go darker. So we toned her down to a level 8 and we loved it. She loved it. We did a 6N, 6NB on her base. So today we're gonna do that same exact formula, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do a quick in and out service within an hour and a half from start to finish, and how to tone someone down and glaze them and have shine and have a color that still has pops and highlights and lets them have a good grow out and just gives our hair a little break during the winter time or any time of the year. So today what I'm going to do is mix up a root color, and then I'm going to mix up an all over color. So for the root color, I'm doing the same exact formula, both of them, that I did last time. I'm doing 6N, 6NB. She's a natural level 6, and I wanted to richen her up and warm up her base a little bit. And we're gonna bring this down like a smudge, about 3 or 4 inches, depending on the area. Around the face and the front, I'll leave it a little bit higher, and then take it further down in the back with the teardrop effect. And then this is going to be our second formulation, which will go all over the entire head, and we're gonna be using 6 different colors. So as you noticed, for both of the formulations, I am using 10 volume. You guys, if you've been following me for a while and an OG Brett Ryan supporter, then you know I always love using Shades EQ with 10 volume if I'm doing a low light or an all over color, anything besides toning, because it gives it a little bit more staying power. And Shades is very translucent, which is perfect for something like this because it's gonna still have our highlights pop through that used to be there and be multi-dimensional. It's not gonna be like a permanent color that's all matte and solid. It's still gonna have dimension and different pops and grow out beautifully while holding on long enough, but then also when it's time to kick through it, coming out right away. So for this formula, I'm doing 7NW, 8WG, 8GI, 9N, 9GB, 9NB. Now I did some 7s, some 8s, and some 9s, which is gonna give us around an 8.5. I went with this formula last time because we were taking a big step and going from a level 10 to this. But today we're just doing the same exact formula to freshen it up, and it will be easier to kick out in the future. During our next session, we plan on doing a full baby light and lightening her up. And I know within 1 or 2 sessions tops, we'll be back to the level 10 ice queen that she always was. One of the biggest tips when doing something like this, even if it's on dry hair or wet and your color melting, is always to do in your mind what you would think the sun would hit and what it would not hit. So we all know what natural hair looks like, especially young kids when they're 4 or 5 and they're toe heads. The brightness is always around the front where the sun's always beaming, and then in the back it always dips down a little bit darker. So as I'm applying this base color, you'll notice in the back I'm bringing it down like 3 to 4 inches. But then when I'm up around the front, I'll just barely tap it, no more than an inch and a half, because that's exactly what would happen in real life, and that's exactly how it would mimic reality. You guys know by now that lived-in looks is my style.
Reaching up from the ground, trying to not think about you, whilst you're in my mind, screaming loud. Still so lost, scared to find reasons to not be without you. Wish I could hide my head in the clouds.
Also, guys, remember when you're applying your base color and you're done, then I always go through and apply my second final formula. Make sure you go in, mush them in, play around with them, comb them through, rub them back and forth, do what you gotta do. You can never blend those colors together enough. I know it's scary, trust me. In the beginning, I was terrified too of them going down too far, but just trust the process. Remember, nobody's ever said it's too blended.
You came out searching for a reason. Came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. I thought that this time you would have to burn me down. I crumbled deep into the feeling that you leave me to drown. Yeah, I'm still holding up together. I thought that this time you would have to burn me down. You came out searching for a reason. Came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. You won't bring me down.
Alright guys, so she's gonna process. Look how dark this looks. So this is 6N, 6NB, and then we bring it down into the toner, which is like, you're gonna see it in the description or on the screen. But look how dark. I use 7, 8s, and 9s, and look how dark this looks. Don't ever trust it until it's dry. You gotta wait till you blow dry it.
You came out searching for a reason. Came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. I thought that this time you would have to burn me down. I crumbled deep into the feeling that you leave me to drown. Yeah, I'm still holding up together. I thought that this time you would have to burn me down. Yeah, you would have to burn me down.
Oh my god, guys, there you have it. Look at that beautiful warmth, richened up base that blends right directly down into the mids and ends. This color is beautiful, blonde at its finest. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to let me know down below in the comment section video ideas that you guys want to see. Don't be shy, just yell them out. I want to put out content that you guys actually want to see. Look at that shine from that Shades EQ. This is going to give us longevity with the 10 volume and also kick out so easily when we want to remove it. Let me know down below also if you want to see the next session when we actually take her back to white blonde. We're going to be doing it in about 3 months, so let me know if you guys want me to film that and I'll do that for you as well. Once again, guys, thank you for everything. I love you all so very much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Join the family. We're growing rapidly, and this is just the very beginning. So many big things are ahead of us. Also, if you haven't yet joined the family on my vlogging channel, I just recently started one a few weeks ago. I've been neglecting content, but I will be putting some out very soon. I am Brett Ryan. The link is down below in my description box. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell on that as well. Join that family. Let's grow that channel as well. That's all entertainment. You know, you guys see me in these four walls all the time. This is going to get you to get to know me a little bit better. And yeah, so I would love for you to subscribe to both channels and hit the bell so you're notified every time the videos come out. Give me a big fat thumbs up. I love you guys so very much. And as we end up finishing up her style, wait till the video keeps rolling and you'll see what it looks like outside. Guys, I love you so much and I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now.